In this session, we will understand the dashboard and its features. In your dashboard, tap on Clock In to start your working hours. You have clocked in successfully. The working hour timer has started. Your clock in time is displayed here, and clock out time is displayed here. Your total working hours are displayed here. The current date is shown here. Your employee shift details are shown here. To start a break, tap Start Break to begin. Your working hours will pause until you resume. Your break has started successfully. Tap Start Break to begin. To end your break, tap on the End Break button. Your break timer will stop and your working hours will resume. Here, you will see the break start time displayed. Here, you will see the break end time displayed. Your total break duration is displayed here. In Calendar Insight, you can view your daily, weekly, and monthly work activities at a glance. Select a month to view its insights. You can choose the month from this drop-down. To review your past activity, tap on the back arrow. This will display the previous 7 days' data, helping you track attendance, working hours, and other records for the selected period. Scroll down to view more details. Create to-do list, tap on Add Note. Type your note here, for example X, Y, or Z, to add it. Tap on the arrow icon to create your to-do list. Your list has been created successfully. To mark a task as completed, tap on the note in your to-do list. Once selected, it will be marked as done, allowing you to easily track your progress and manage your tasks more effectively. Tap on the cross icon to remove a list from your to-do section. In the calendar section, you can view your schedules, events, and important dates at a glance. Tap on the back arrow to view the previous month's calendar. Tap on the forward arrow to view the next month's calendar. Hover over the question mark icon to see the color guide for your calendar. You can view all employee birthdays for the selected month in this section, including those celebrating today and upcoming birthdays. You can view all employee work anniversaries for the selected month in this section, including today's and upcoming anniversaries. Here, you can see the request overview. This section allows you to check all leave requests, including pending, approved, and rejected leaves, giving you a clear picture of your team's leave status at a glance. Tap on Request to apply for leave. This will open the leave application form where you can enter the required details and submit your request. In the regularization section, you can manage attendance corrections efficiently. You will find requested regularizations, pending regularizations, approved regularizations, rejected regularizations. Tap on Requested to apply for regularization. The reimbursement section lets you submit and track expense claims easily. In this section, you can view all your pending reimbursements. Approved reimbursement, rejected reimbursement. Tap on Request to submit a reimbursement request. The request page will appear. Fill in the reimbursement details and tap Submit to complete your request. In the Help Desk section, you can view all your tickets, whether they are closed, open tickets, in progress tickets, escalated tickets, for quick resolution. To raise a query, simply tap on Ticket and fill in the required details. Tap on Filter to apply filters and view specific tickets. Select the time period filter, last 7 days, 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, to view tickets within that range. The filter has been applied successfully. To view your complete attendance records, tap on Attendance. The calendar page will open, showing your present and absent days and regularization requests. To record your logout time, tap on Clock Out. You have clocked out successfully. We have now reached the end of this session. Thank you for watching.